Hi there, Chris here. I have, I'll read the description of what this is. Well, we'll take a look at it a little bit. Then I'll read the description and then we'll take a closer look. But this is a very, very old lever lock. This we can see easily. But I'll read the description. It's a vintage Gg Lal Brothers padlock. And here, it's bird with lock in mouth. So, it's really tough to see this stuff, but we'll try and get this. First off, that is the name, which I can't quite make out. And this looks like 2229, maybe? Or very hard to tell. Best Walty Ling lock? I can't tell. Maybe wing lock because of the bird. 66 years I can make out there. This, unfortunately, I can't really make out anything. Now, the bird, you really have to use a magnifying glass. I can't see it here. I can with a magnifying glass. And I can't even see it. I can't even make it out to tell you which way it goes, but I think it goes kind of like this. Anyway, whoops, wrong way. There we go. But, so I ordered this. It was not expensive. Here's the key. And something like this. It did say in the listing that it worked, and it does work. And it was very grimy and dirty inside, and I cleaned it up and I scrubbed this a little bit so you could start to see the writing on it. And I thought that I could use the UK Lockpicker Tools cabinet tensioner, because that's the closest, but it's too shallow for the post. And then I thought, oh boy. And I thought this would be too big. If you look at this tensioner, sometimes if they're too long, they get stuck. And this is very long, but I certainly wasn't going to cut my tool down. I would have done something else. But actually, it does fit just. We go in here. I mean, it couldn't be much closer. And it goes in and it feels like it tensions. And so we'll do that, and we'll use this UK lock picking wire. See if I can give you a good shot here. And this goes around, and there's enough room, pardon me. And you have to find the levers here, and you just have to kind of work it just gently. Yes, it is locked. Okay, good. Because we're trying to unlock it. Okay, nice click. I slipped off. I don't want to force anything here. That's a little more movement. I can't tell if it has 2 or 3 levers in here. And I don't see it on the lock. And we got it. And we didn't get stuck. So there you go. I wish I could say this is the lock, but I just can't. Anybody who knows anything about this, please leave it in the comments. I'll give you a good long look at it. But it is a very cool old lock, and I'm very happy that I got it and that I was able to pick it, and that it, as old as this is, it still works quite well. I mean, totally amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, certainly make a comment. And I guess I'll put this up for Stock Lock Sunday. And we will see you next time.